So hi everybody, it's me Lakisha and I'm going to do for my mom voiceover today. So sit back and enjoy the view. So
Story of our life. You know how coming out from the market can be. Look at her. Boss name. She says she's looking for a job that I should pay her, she will do it. Now she's the work going, baby. Boss name and things that are cheaper in the north. So this is 1,008 now. This is Atarodo. Of course, I'm a Yoruba babe. Atarodo is Atarodo. That's 1,500. Half a kilo of milk for 5,500. So got these onions for 5,000. The way I rush this bell pepper and carrots. Carrots is expensive now, right? So that means this 3,500. This 3,000. And you're looking at what did I buy? My money is finished. Anyway, I'll be showing us video of what I'm going to prepare. So this is just a preview. Let me eat. I'm hungry. My baby.
No baby.
Doing our job religiously.
What they do for you now 5,000 you will pay.
See amount.
If you not go pay 5,000, I never go reach anywhere. I will not give her for you.
You must break a man up paying.
5,000. Send the money. Nah. I beg. I don't get stressed.
Two.
Oga send 5,000.
See those days when we were growing up. You remember now?
That's one reason why I said I'm gonna do this.
So it's fun.
Please send that.
I saw your money.
How about 5,000?
Okay, again.
How about 5,000? Oh, room service category.
That's also.
People answer, you know go talk. You know go be like this one very bad.
Make a year word.
One try.
You are making this one with love, Abby?
With love, that's one reason why I'm gonna 5,000.
One guy go give 5,000. Okay, ma'am.
So, I'm not baby. I will get.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm not baby.
Oh yeah.
I'm not baby. Tell me go now.
They go the last.
One make 4,500.
I'm gonna put your thing up. Man, go 4,500.
4,500. Home service. They go do not la cannot the corral.
You don't do la.
Like you can
It's already low like him.
At least what she name executive hotel at table. No
You say what?
I'm done cooking.
That.
For past 11 months, I've been in this kitchen.
Oh,
Morning and night.
praise the Lord, somebody. So this 3 kilo. I tell them cut it like a Yoruba girl. When they were cutting it small. Then I got this promo for 4,500. The guy was saying 7,000. Amy Timo motion price the other. From 7,000, I got it 4,500. Was like 5,000 last. I just tell her Ali buy the albarka. That means let God put blessing. Only cocoa. It's not be so. That's the most important one. So you want me to come and cook?
Cook banga.
I should cook banga soup. Okay. I know it's not that hard. No, it's not hard. Look at banga soup. You know banga soup to Ghana soup, right? Okay, you remember, yes, banga soup.